Hello, welcome. Again, we are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper question number 65 is in a supplier retailer supply chain, the demand of each retailer, the capacity of each supplier, and the unit cost in rupees of material supplied from each supplier to each retailer are tabulated below. The supply chain manager wishes to minimize the total cost of transportation across the supply chain. So this is the table given supplier A, B, C and D on vertical column, and this is retailer 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the capacity, and this is your demand. The optimal cost of satisfying the total demand from all retailer is dash rupees. Answer in period. So as it is 4 into 4 matrix, so uh, so this is 4 into 4 matrix, and so this problem is of assignment problem because we have to assign uh, the particular supplier to particular retailer. So taking it as assignment problem, so perform the steps that are involved in assignment problem. First of all, we will select the minimum element from each row and subtract it from all the element of that row. Here the minimum element is 11, so subtracting this we get this line. 11 minus 11 0, 16 minus 11 5, and so on. Similarly, in this row, minimum element is 5, so it is 0, 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 5 3. And in this row, the minimum element is 11, so it is 12, 14, 17, 12 minus 11 1, okay, 14 minus 11 3, 17 minus 11 6. Similarly, 8, 15, 11, 9 has 8 as minimum element, so subtracting this and we get this matrix. Okay, so here we can see that number of line crossing all the zeros are 1 and 2, which is less than the order of matrix, that is 4, because there are 4 column and 4 rows. And now we will select minimum element from each column and subtract it from the other elements. So here the minimum element from each column is in the first column it is 0, so this column will remain same. Here the minimum element is 3, so this column will become 2 2 0 4. 5 minus 3 2, 5 minus 3 2, okay, and 3 minus 3 0, and 7 minus 3 4. Okay, similarly, uh, 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 2 4, 9 minus 2 7, here it will remain 3. So now minimum number of lines crossing all the zeros are 1, 2 and 3, which is also less than 4, so it is also not the optimal solution. Now what we do, we will select the minimum element from the uncrossed elements. So that is here the minimum element is 1, and we'll add this element to intersection of these lines here and here, okay, and subtract from all other elements and from this one also. So if we subtract 1 from 2, then it is 1, it will be 5, it will be 1, it will be 3, it will be 6, and it will be 0. And here we add it, so it will be 1 and it will be 2. Okay, so now minimum number of lines crossing all the zeros are 4. Okay, so it means which is order of the matrix also, so it means it is the minimum cost, or it is the optimal solution. So now we can assign the supplier to retailer. So here we can assign at 0 0, we can assign, so S1 to R1, S3 to R2, S2 to R3, and S4 to R3, and the corresponding cost for these are S1 to 11 into 300, 11 into 300, and 15 into, sorry, 14 into 300. Okay, and next assignment is this, 7 into 300. Next element is last one, 9 into 300. Okay, so we get the answer as 12300. Okay.